So now that we've covered Twitter briefly, so you have a general idea of how to use Twitter in organic marketing, let's go over to YouTube. So we're going to look at a couple of examples here. In this case, we've got a YouTube channel for a reputation management software. Okay, and this one, it's a little bit old, it's not very active, but what you can see here is that they've got a bunch of videos that are probably not intended for inside of YouTube marketing. Okay, if you look at these videos, you'll look at the
So we wanted a new way to deal.
so there's the promotional video there. Let's click on analytics. You'll notice there's not a whole lot going on in the way of likes or comments on these videos, okay? And the reason for that is what a lot of companies are doing is using YouTube purely as a video host, okay? They're embedding their videos on their websites, and so you're not really going to get anything in the way of YouTube interaction levels, likes, comments, subscriptions, that sort of thing. Now, the other tack is to actually utilize YouTube as a social media platform, meaning you actually want people who are on youtube.com to find your videos, to subscribe to your videos, to get notifications about your videos, to interact by liking and commenting and so on and so forth, to see your videos in the related videos column and all that good stuff. So that is what we'll take a look at in a moment. First, I just want to look at the analytics page really quick to show you the type of stuff you need to be keeping track of, okay? Watch time is super important for your videos, okay? Views, obviously, pretty important. But one thing that I want you to notice here is this video is super long, okay? And look what happens to the audience retention. Drops off within the first, look at that, 4 seconds, 9 seconds, drops down to 50, okay? By the time you're less than a minute in, you're already down to 20% viewership. So make sure your videos, when you're making videos, are compelling enough and that you get a unique selling proposition out there in the first few seconds. Otherwise, your viewership just drops. Okay, I mean this is terrible retention here. And again, if you look at things like likes and dislikes, you're not going to see a lot of that because this business is obviously utilizing YouTube purely as a video host to embed their stuff. But let's go look at an actual active YouTube channel that's actually leveraging YouTube as a social media platform. This one is Niches Be Crazy, and this is an awesome YouTube channel. So this guy has got a ton, okay, Uncle Phil Lopez here, a ton of content that he puts out, and it's all about utilizing YouTube as a marketing engine. He's not just posting videos here for the purpose of hosting them and then embedding them elsewhere. He's actually actively engaged in organic marketing. So have a look at his profile here. He's got an awesome banner image. Okay, he's got little links here where you can hook up with him on his website or his blog and other social media platforms. Okay, he's got subscribers. He's got video views. Let's click on one of these here. This one here seems to be a review video for some type of a product, and the product's called Affiliate Oracle by Adam Payne. And basically, what you're going to encounter, maybe not initially, but what you'll eventually encounter here is an affiliate link. So if we click on that, we'll come over here to the review. And I don't know if this is a good or a bad review, but clearly you've got a buy button here, and if you look down in the bottom left corner, that's a pay kickstart link. So it's an affiliate link. So he's engaged in affiliate marketing, right? And he's getting traffic to his YouTube videos, 115 views there just in the last week, and he is leveraging YouTube itself as a marketing engine. As you can see, he's got comments here. So he's got likes, he's got views, and he's got comments happening, interaction happening, okay? Thanks for the review, etc. Thanks for the good review, Uncle Phil, etc. So this guy's got an actual audience, okay? He's got actual, I'm going to change that frame so it doesn't look like he's picking his nose there, but I think. You'll also notice he's branded himself. That's huge in YouTube marketing. Watch this. Okay, so that's pretty cool. You can do that, guys, for a pretty low amount of money on Fiverr, okay? Or if you use Adobe After Effects, you can go on Video Hive and download templates where you can do some pretty cool logo reveal stuff. You really want to build a brand. If you're going to be utilizing YouTube as a social media platform, you want a brand so that people recognize your name. Look, he's got He's got hashtags here as well, which I did not notice previously. But you want people to understand who you are and to think about your videos. And in this case, they probably think about reviews by Niches Be Crazy when they're looking at other products, which means they might actually actively seek him out and come to his channel to see if he has reviewed a particular product, in case he'll get some commission. Now, let's have a look at another video here. This was a, this looks like it was a live stream. It says streamed live on February 26th, so that's cool. Definitely make use of video streaming software. The thing with YouTube is it will place higher in search engine results and related video results and so on and so forth. It'll give more reach and exposure to videos that are live, just because they've made their algorithms do that. Let's have a look here at his description. So his description is, let's see, not super keyword heavy in this case, because this is a content video. It's not a product review video, so there's no specific product names, but he does have some links with call to actions. Okay, so he wants you to go watch this video here. At the end of this video, he mentions a product, and so here's a link to his review for that, which looks like Affiliate Oracle again. And he's got a subscription link here, so a lot of calls to action. And then he's also got, this is very important, affiliate disclaimer. Okay, make sure you're covering your butt when you're doing affiliate marketing out there, and you've got an affiliate disclaimer. Let's come back to the original video here, and you'll see that this one is a little bit more keyword rich. Okay, so you've got the product name in there multiple times. You've got the vendor name in there multiple times, right? So when somebody's out there looking for Affiliate Oracle or any other product, they're going to be likely to come across a video that is keyword rich in its description. Now, you can't see tags. I think there was a time way back in the day where you could see other people's tags. You can't see tags on this video, but make sure you're utilizing tags when you're posting your videos. And we can assume that this one probably has tags such as, the product name and the vendor name, okay? Because you really want your videos, if you're using YouTube.com as an actual social media platform, you want to increase your organic reach, and you want to increase your ranking for search terms when somebody clicks up here and searches for something like, Affiliate Oracle review. So that's a very quick, brief overview of using YouTube for marketing, guys. Hopefully that was useful. We covered Twitter as well. In the next lesson, we're going to be covering LinkedIn and Pinterest.